Here we are in the garage again. There I am in my natural habitat. I was preparing to start an upgrade for my FDM printer. As you can see, I'm quite happy jamming out to my music. But things are about to take a turn for the worse. That's not supposed to look like that. That's not supposed to look like that. That's what I just said. It's not supposed to look like that at all. Come here. I gotta use this machine. Unfortunately, I just had my first failed print. Looks like it freaking came right off of the supports. Oh well, do it again, Tom. As you can see here, frustration gets the best of you even when it's print number 2. It warped remarkably. I don't know exactly what I did, but I went back yet again to the computer and printed a third one. Each time it came out ghastly looking, or nothing came out at all. I changed a lot of the settings for the print itself, but nothing seemed to work. Both of these models were just terrible. I could always go back to square one, but I was trying to figure out where from square one I went wrong the first time, and the second time, and the third time, and yes, there was even a fourth time. The blue one was the original print that I did on my FDM printer with a PETG filament. I wanted to possibly make a resin version of it, but all of the prints I made so far were terribly deformed versions of this original, as you can see. There was warping, an almost melting kind of look, cracks, holes, the supports on the inside of the air intake were going to clog it up, and of course there was always the amount of not just resin, but gloves that I went through. All in all, I guess I just have to do it again. Yes, it's frustrating, but at the same point, I'm learning a new hobby and potentially a new skill. Every once in a while, you just have to go through these trials and errors, the process to find out where you went wrong, and hopefully you can fix that in the future. Thanks for watching.